Wow. This rice. Wow.
Oh.
What do you put so?
This chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes. Egg.
What is sweet they put for the rice?
This one.
You put chocolate.
I put egg.
You put egg. Wow. My sweetie they put for the rice. Wow.
I put tomatoes.
My son. Wow. Tomatoes. Wow. Who you cooking this food for?
And for everybody now.
Wow. Or for those visitors they come. Chocolate.
Yes. Or for my Yubo friends then.
Wow.
That's it. Now I want to put this one. Zumo inside.
Oh, juice.
Juice, yes.
Wow.
I said it to the shopper.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow, this food goes sweet well. Wow.
So I'm picking the shopper. Now, I want to put my milk inside.
Milk. Wow.
That's it, milk.
Wow. Milk.
Now I'll put sugar.
What is sugar?
So,
oh, sugar.
Asuga.
Oh, yeah.
And they call it here.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Wow. You put many sugar.
Yes.
Why?
Matona. No.
Wow. This is beautiful. Put chocolate, put tomatoes,
Yes.
you put juice. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow.
And a shaker.
Wow. Wow.
Jesus.
Sweet well.
This food will make sense.
Put more sugar, put more sugar.
Put more sugar, no?
Yeah, put more sugar. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Shy. You put all the sugar. You for sweet well.
More for cake.
Wow.